This is where ZHIRO started. Just a shape. The first time it felt like a real knife. Getting there took months. The first version came straight from the original sketch. I mainly wanted to check the size, the shape, and how it felt in my hand. Next came a version focused on the opening action. I wanted to see how it would actually feel. A backspacer came later, which helped bring the whole design together. I even tried making a metal prototype using 3D printing. Yeah. It was a good learning experience, but the result wasn't quite what I was looking for. So I made a few changes and moved on to the first CNC prototype. At that point, it still relied on a detent to stay closed. There was no lock yet. After going through all these versions, I started seeing the same problems over and over again. So I decided to rethink the whole structure, not just to improve the action, but to make it safer and more reliable. That's when the liner lock came in. After a few more refinements, the titanium version finally came together. The size, the action, the overall feel, everything finally clicked. This was the version I'd been trying to build from the beginning, and hearing it open for the first time made all those iterations worth it. Seeing all the versions together, it's easy to forget how many small decisions went into this project. But every version taught me something, and every mistake pushed the design a little further. ZHIRO is now live on Kickstarter pre-launch. If you'd like to follow the journey, you can find the link below. Thanks for watching.